Outliers are the rebels of our dataset. They are data points that deviate significantly from the norm. Identifying and dealing with outliers is crucial because they can heavily skew our analysis and models. There are several methods to handle outliers. We might choose to cap or clip extreme values or use robust statistical measures that are less affected by outliers. Alternatively, we can employ techniques like Winsorization to replace outliers with less extreme values. Remember, the approach we choose should be tailored to our specific dataset and problem domain. Handling outliers ensure that our analysis and models are built on a solid foundation, free from the interference of extreme data points. In this case, we can identify the outliers using the box plot or any other method, so we can figure out which is falling under the outlier range and which is not. If it is having extreme values, we can, in the worst case scenario, we can replace those values with the mean values, or we can remove them directly. But removing outliers will lead to a problem, like we may lose the entire record of that record which is along associated with all other features.